in this video we will go through how you can generate realistic shirt looking like mockups for your clothing brand using our Oxygengrey Streetwear Shirt Mockups Pack. We will go through the mechanism of the shirt file and also go through how you can generate this type of shirts for your brand. The link for this product is given in the description. You can check it out on our official website. So yes, let's get right into it. So when you purchase the pack, you will receive one of this file, premium shirt mockup. What you want to do is the first thing you want to do is hide this layer. This is just our branding layer. This is our official website and this is our Insta if you want to check it out. Okay, the first thing you want to do is hide this layer. Now the file comes up with three different options. The first one is you can change the background by double clicking on it. You can change it to whatever you like. Let's just keep it for black for now. Now it comes with front and back mockup, right? Let's just hide the back mockup for now. By the way, the mechanism of the front mockup and the back mockup is same, so whatever you will learn for the front mockup, you can do the same things for the back mockup too. We'll still go for the back mockup so you can get the idea. Now for the front mockup, the file is divided into three parts. The first one is buttons. If you click here and double click it here, you would be able to change the color of the buttons to any color you would like. Let's just keep it white for now. Group it again. Now the second part is design. Let's just hide it for now and go through the simple part, which is how you can change the color of the shirt. So the change color group comes with different options. The first one is white mockup. If you want a white shirt mockup, what you want to do is just unhide this group and you would get a white shirt mockup. Now let's say if you don't want a white mockup, you want a black mockup. What you want to do is click on here and you'll get a black shirt mockup. And if you want a colored mockup, let's say, click here, the colored mockup part. Click here to see the contents of the colored mockup section. Now double click here where the change color option is given, and then you would be able to change the color of the mockup to anything you would like. Let's say you want a light blue mockup. You can click here. There you go. We have also given an option to decrease the brightness a little bit. Let's say let's say if it's too bright for you, what you want to do is hide this layer, and you'll notice the difference in the lightness of the mockup. Let's just keep it a little bright for now. Group these layers again, and that's how we change the color of the mockup to any color you would like. Now let's say I want to generate gradient shirt mockup. Let's just change the background color for now. Okay, let's say if you want to change the shirt to like gradient looking like mockup, so click on gradient mockup group, and what you want to do is double click here and click here, and then you would be able to change the gradients of this shirt. You can play with it. Let's say if you add red, then you get a black, red and white gradient shirt mockup. Let's say I just want a white and black gradient mockup, so I'm gonna press OK and press OK. Now we have also given one more option. If you want it a little bit more dark, you can just unhide this layer, and then you'll get a little bit more darker of the same gradient shirt. By the way, if you just want to put this both of these gradients should be same to generate this type of mockups. Okay, so this is how you can generate white mockup, a black mockup, colored mockup, and a gradient mockup. And by the way, if you want to just have this saved, you can just unhide this background layer and then file, save as copy, and then you can save it as a PNG format. Now let's say you wanna make a shirt with a design on it. Let's say you wanna have a red shirt with a lion design on it. How do you do that? Okay, so let's just change the background to black again. Now we want the background, we want the base layer for the shirt to red. So what we'll do is unhide this gradient mockup layer, click on colored mockup, and let's change it to red for now. Okay, and one more time, there is an option to decrease and increase the brightness from here. You can hide it if you would like the mockup to be dark, but I'm just gonna keep it a little bit light for now. Okay, right. Now let's go to the part where we can add the design. So unhide this group and you would see there are two options. There is an option for all over design, and then there is an option for behind color design. So if you would like to place a design behind this color, you have to choose this option. So let's just unhide this layer, and then you will get this option, put your design here. What you want to do is click here, click on put your design here, and click one more time here, so you can change the design. Okay, click on the change the design here. A small square is given here. Click on the smart object. Please don't change anything here. Double click it. You want to hide this layer. Click on new layer. Now you can bring your design. We already have this, but you can use any design for this. Press enter and then close this file and say save. Okay, so you will notice it looks a little bit of realistic, because if we normally put a black design on a red shirt, it's just doesn't blend, but we have already given the option, so you can blend it. Like, you don't have to do anything, it just comes with the file. Now let's say you want to resize it. What you want to do is group these both files again and press Ctrl T, and then you can move it to any place you would like. And one thing you will notice is it goes behind the collar, and that is one of the reasons why it looks realistic. And also one more thing, it goes behind the button, so you don't have to worry about that. And then you can resize it to however you like. Press enter. and you can save it, and your shirt mockup is ready. Okay, now let's say you wanna create a mockup with an all over shirt design. Let's say you don't want to put your design behind the collar. What do you do then? What you wanna do is, let's just, because we want an all over design, we want just a shirt base layer. For that, click on change color and hide this colored mockup, and unhide this front mockup layer. Now go back to design. Now we don't want this because we have already done it, so hide this behind collar design and click on all over design, and you will again see an option, put all over shirt design here. Click on all over design, click on put it here, and click on change the design here. Now it has the same options, please don't change here. Click, double click. You want to hide this text layer, click on new layer and bring this shirt file again, bring the design file which you want to use, press enter and save the file. Okay, now that you will have this design on top, you want to resize it, right? So group these two layers again and press Ctrl T and resize it to whatever you like. One thing you'll notice is it doesn't go behind the collar. So if you wanna like put it like this, you can put it. Let's just put it a little bit like this for now. Give me a second. Okay. So yes, and this is how you can, you can also put any patterns on your shirt, for if you want to like a pattern shirt for your brand. Okay. Now let's say you want to change the back part of the mockup. So the back market, you want to hide this front mockup group and click on unhide back mockup, and you'll see it has the same sections, the design and change color. So let's say if you want a black mockup, you want to do is unhide this and it will have the back part of the mockup, and you can have this, you can like just put on design if you want to from here. Same thing with the front mockup and the back mockup. So yeah, that was it. If you would like, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment below, and please check out our official website, oxygengrey.com, for it's a one-shop destination for clothing brands and designers, and we just sell premium design assets. So, and I think you'll love it because I also had a clothing brand once, and I know how difficult it is to buy or to get like premium assets at a cheaper price. So yeah, check it out and let me know what you think. And once again, just let me know in the comments if you have any question. I will reply as soon as possible. See you in the next video. Subscribe and like if I like help you in any way.